Good morning, giraffes. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a long, nice weekend and you are ready to learn about that card game I told you about. So, if you've got your cards, get them in front of you. Okay, so this is called a deck of cards, and it is a bunch of numbers and 4 suits. So there are 52 cards in a deck, and there are 4 suits. So I'm going to start off by showing you what the 4 suits are, and we'll talk a little bit about it. So I've got the suit of clubs, which this is the 10 of clubs. That's what a club looks like. It looks like a little flower, if you will. Okay. The next one that we have is called a spade, and this is the 10 of spades. So when you see this shape, you know that that is called a spade. This is a shape you should all know. What is that? That's right, it's a heart. So this is the 10 of hearts, and here is another shape you should know. It's a diamond, and that's called the 10 of diamonds. Now, each suit has an ace, which looks like this, which is another way to say 1, because you can count the hearts on there, and that is 1. And then there's 2. And if you look at each of these cards, the symbols that are on there amount to the number on the card. So this is the 2 of hearts. Here's the 3 of hearts. Here's the 4 of hearts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So they go from 1 to 10 in each suit. And then there are some cards that are also in the suit. We're not going to do much talking about those today, but these are called face cards. And now all that means is that there are faces on these. So here's a jack, a queen, and a king. See, they have faces, but we'll talk about these another time. So right now, all I want you to know is that in the suit of clubs, it goes from 1 or ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In spades, it does the same thing. Ace or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's hearts, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And diamonds has the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, in order to play the game that I want to teach you, which is called War, you need to put all of 4 of those suits together, and you're going to shuffle them. Mommies and daddies might have to help you. All that means is that you're going to put them together and you're going to mix them up. I'm just mixing my cards up because I had them all in suits and now I just want to mix them. So what you would do to play War, I think you could probably even play this by yourself or with one of your brothers or sisters or with your mom and dad. So you split the deck in half. Let's just say I have this deck and you have that deck. So you draw a card. So I'm going to draw for me. Oh, I drew the 1 or the ace of diamonds. Now I'm going to draw for you. Let's pretend this is your stack of cards over here. You drew the 4 of clubs. Which number is bigger? The 4 or the 1? So we know that 4 is bigger than 1. We can even count the symbols on the card to figure that out. So you, whoever it is that I'm talking to that pulled the 4 of clubs, has won this hand because your number is bigger than mine. So you take that. Now let's do another one. Here's my second card. Another ace, another one. And you drew the 5 of diamonds. So the 5 again is bigger than the ace. So you would win that one. So that's how you play the game of war. Another thing that you can be doing math-wise is you could be taking a pair of die or a set of dice, and you can roll them. And you can write down what numbers you drew. So I just threw that pair of dice, and I have a 6 and I have a 4. So I'm going to write the number 6, and then I'm going to write the number 4. Now that's just, you can do that as long as you want. That is good practice for writing the number line. It goes through from 1 to 10. But if you wanted to do something more, you could put a plus sign right there, which means you add, and you could add a 6 and a 4. Now you would need some marbles or some beans or something to help you. So what you would do is put 6, let's say we have beans, just some pinto beans. Put 6 beans here, put 4 beans here, and then you add them together, and that will give you 10. If you added 6 beans and 4 beans, you would have 10 beans. So if you just want to roll and write, that's fine. Roll, write, add. You can just turn this into any kind of game that you would like. And then you can play war with the cards. All right, tomorrow we're going to have a Zoom class. Not Zumba, although I need Zumba. We're going to have a Zoom class. And hopefully we can all talk about what we're learning and what we're going to learn. But right now, I know that y'all have been so good about writing your names and writing your phone numbers and the number line and the alphabet, and I hope you're cutting too. So I have some more things to show you tomorrow when we get on our Zoom class. So I look forward to seeing you then. Love you guys. Mwah. Oh yeah, and let's not forget, we're still doing our patterning. All right, talk to you soon. Love you guys. Love you, giraffes. Bye.